In my 19, see what we do. I have trouble to everyone and it's a way to live now. Because it's a and I have a future, and you don't control the past, and you know we will get certain, you know you'll be more. Thanks to Silverhead G11. And Digga. Nice. And you know we're together tonight. 'Cause every night I see you home. 'Cause every night I remember you. 'Cause every night I see you home. And dream of an absolution. Tonight I see you home. 'Cause every night I come to you. 'Cause every night I see you home. I dream of an absolution. Silver, your turn, mate. In the midnight, you see what is. I'm trouble you'll never see. From the trigger of you alive. The rest of the past. And you know you get there tonight. Every night I want to be home. 'Cause every night I want to be with you. 'Cause every night I want to be home. And I dream of an absolution. Every night I want to be home. 'Cause every night I want to be you. 'Cause every night I want to be home. I dream of an absolution. You know what? Look at the subscribe Silverhead channel. Since I have 5 subscribers. 5 subscribers. And there is no end. Every night I will be alone. 'Cause every night I will be with you. 'Cause every night I will be with you. And I dream of an attribution. Every night I will be with you. 'Cause every night I will be with you. 'Cause every night I will be with you. And I dream of an absolution. Of your every night, every night, every night. Yeah. What I do is what you do. I will get off the phone. I'm just control the together tonight. The past and we are together tonight. 'Cause every night is a night. 'Cause every night I will be with you. 'Cause every night I will feel close and I'll be an pollution. Every night I will be you. 'Cause every night I will be with you. 'Cause every night I will be with you. My dream of an absolution. like that, please comment, subscribe, and others. Okay, so that's the end of the singing video. Sung Dreams of an Association twice in one video. Plus, Silver was singing along as well, weren't you? Yes, I was. So, from me and Silver, good night. Wait, and big balls.